Hello friends, welcome to Code Champ. In this class, I'm going to tell you that how you can create this type of images with the help of AI and how you can give the animation in that. As you can see, the animation is here. Same, I'm going to tell you that how you can do. So for this, we will log in it with this Meta AI. In this Meta AI, you will get three options. Help me to choose the pet. You can create any animal image. You can create the interview image. And you can also imagine the any images. Suppose I'm just imagining an image, a girl playing football. After this, just click here on it. You just type a single prompt that which type of image you want to generate and just type after typing the prompt, click on this arrow option. Then with the help of this Meta AI, you will get these 4 images. If you like these images, then you can go with it. If you want to do any type of editing, you can just click on edit. As you can mention here, the age of the girl also, the dress color of the girl also. If you will click here on this edit option. But if you like it, then just click on this animate option. When you will click here on the animate that, then these images which you have generated here, that will start the movement. So with the help of Meta AI, you can generate your images and you can also give the movement in your images. Now you can see my all images are ready. If you like these images, then just simply download these one. If you will click here, download all these images. If you like, then one by one, you have to download it as I'm doing it. After that, I just want to create a video with these images. So what I will do, I will just come here on Canva. And after going Canva, we will upload all the images. And then we can use their text to speech and whatever you want. So right now, I'm just opening here Canva. How to open Canva? That's quite easy. Just simply go to your Google Chrome, click on your ID, from which you want to connect. And after that, just click here on the Canva one. Let it be open. Here I'm using Canva. In place of Canva, you can use any other software. So just click on the upload option, click on videos, and click on upload files. And with the help of these upload files, whatever the video you have created, you can just download that one, as I'm taking all because I have downloaded it these 4 right now. And after this, we will click here on this upload file option. Then my all images are here. So one by one, we will click on it. As I'm clicking on the second page, now I'm taking the second image, then third, and after that, we will click on the fourth one. After taking all the images, I just want to set it on the whole screen. So you will do the right click and set video as background. One by one, we will do this in all the images which you have generated already. And after that, we will use here text to speech. And you can add here some sound also. So I have done with all. Now just keep this playhead on the first screen. Click here. Now I just want to add here my voice. You know very well how to connect the voice. Then just choose this one. And here you can see your video is your video is. So I hope it's clear for you. Now, the next one is the Rendora AI. With the help of the Rendora AI, you can create your AI avatar, which will look just like a human, and you can give the information regarding that. So, for example, here you can see start with your ideal avatar. These are the 3D avatars. You can choose any. Suppose I'm going to choose this one. These are the templates. You can see the background. Which background you like, you can choose that one. All the backgrounds are here, like Christmas background, movie background, and as per your topic, you can choose any. Suppose I'm going to choose this template. In this template, this AI avatar and the background, both are here. When I will click on this, use this template, then the processing will start and it will generate it, your text. Now, after this, it is asking for logging it. So I'm going to click here on this Google. I just want to connect it with my Gmail ID and then we will start. So now, first of all, we will connect with Google and choose your Gmail ID. by which you want to connect it. I'm just choosing it, the first one. Let it become. So translate from Japanese, English, translate this one. Continue. Now let the processing will be complete. Then it will open. Now it's ready. My avatar is here. All the materials which you want, everything is here. Here you can type the text, whatever you want. You can generate the text from content writing that I have told you already. I'm just typing here. Hello friends. Welcome to Shine Beauty Product. Today I'm going to tell you about herbal cream. Just like this, you can type any or you can create the content. And after this, when I will click here on this video preview, the video preview will be open, and also you can upload it if you want. I'm just clicking here on 3D generate. As I will click on the 3D generate option, then my video will be ready within 1 second, and then whatever I have typed, it will speak the same thing. So with the help of this, you can generate your 3D avatar. You can generate the image.
At 2 o'clock
I hope
MPST.
you can say it
Join
properly, that
industry-leading
how
marketing
it's working.
strategist Dr.
I have
Emily
mentioned
Carter
just a
as she
simple
shares
text and
actionable
it's working
insights
here
into
properly.
emerging trends, innovative
So
tools,
like this, you can
strategies to
create
stay
your
ahead in an
avatar
evolving
and you can
marketing
type here
landscape.
everything, whatever you
Register
want.
today and secure your spot for this
Okay,
game-changing event.
so I hope this
It's
part
quick,
is also clear
free.
for you. I have typed only one thing, but if you want, you can change all the typing and all the text. Like this, you can see at the bottom side, all the options are here, text to script. If I will click on this option, then this page will come and I can type here anything and I can change it. In the same way, I will click on this pencil option, and after typing the pencil, the future marketing it is showing now. In place of this, I will type my product quality. Now, same here, just place your mouse here, click on this. You can add the clip also. I'm clicking here, edit option. And after that, I can do the change. In place of this, I can use my poster also. So this girl who is speaking, which we have made, that is known as AI Avtaar, that can be complete your product detail. Okay, so just go with this Randora AI. I hope you will like it.